I just
Oh,
need
shit.
to make sure everyone's in zone before we start fighting.
Live.
How many healers do I have in Del?
Dalawa pa lang. Jesse,
In
Jared.
ano? They're fighting. Come first. Come to me first.
Regroup guys, regroup.
Come. You're gonna dismount enemy. And then spread west and east for facing north. Okay? Just food up for now.
Paman
Facing
si
east.
Justin.
Spread west and east. Try to go north. Come.
Decide ko.
I'm gonna clap. Wait, just walk.
Stop, Forrest.
Walk. 5. West side 4, 3, 2, 1. Look at my clap. Shoot.
Nice.
And then spread.
Holy shit!
Spread. Catch everyone. Catch. They're running. Everybody catch.
Everyone is running.
Full catch and loot. Try to loot. Catch and loot. Good job.
Going to you guys.
Dito sa west, dalawang invitation pa.
Okay. Call out for targets if you can.
Pamount up yung ano. Gucci yung
Catch. If you have target.
Pasalubong nito isa. Peter.
Ito paano nito? Fight. Nice.
Mac Jared ka. Ay, wag na. Never mind.
Okay.
Gago.
Eh,
You're
keep
dead.
on spamming Jency. Dito kami Sabi pag burst ka, Jency,
Pumalagyan.
Lagi wag na. Okay. Nice pop. Get ready. Wag mo na i-buff. Set ka. Okay na yan.
You guys.
Eddie, Jency, in 3, 1. Lapag. Ay, gago! Napap!
Ay, gago ka!
Ito po.
Psycheater!
Ano? Target
Okay
down.
na. Napatay na.
Okay, if you're okay, let's go to the
Sabi ko, wag
blowout
na
post.
ibaba.
Go to the blowout post.
Wow, go.
Sila ngayon nalikuran.
Nice. Invitation kasama nila. Pero ang konti ng Snow Forest
Gago to. Napatay ka.
More on invitation.
Tatlo napatay ko na. Napatay ko na sa clap.